In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gold text effect in Affinity. We'll keep this simple and clean so you can follow along in either Affinity Designer or Affinity Photo. With your document open, start by choosing the Artistic Text tool from the toolbar. It looks like a capital A and lets you create editable text right on the canvas. Click once on your canvas to place a text cursor and you're ready to type. Go ahead and type the word or phrase you want to turn into gold. While you're still in text editing mode, feel free to pick a bold, legible font and increase the size so the letters have enough surface area for the texture to shine. Heavy serifs and strong sans serifs work especially well. You can adjust tracking and line spacing in the context toolbar if you want a little extra breathing room between characters. Don't worry about the text color at this stage. The texture will replace it. Next, head up to the menu bar and click File, then choose Place. Place is the best way to bring an image in as its own layer so we can control it easily. When the File dialog opens, select the gold texture you already have saved on your computer. Aim for a high resolution texture so the metallic details stay crisp when you zoom in. After you confirm, your cursor will be loaded with the texture. Click once on the canvas to drop it in at its native size, or click and drag to size it as you place it. If it lands behind your text, that's okay. We're about to clip it inside the letters. Just make sure you can see both the text layer and the texture layer in the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Now drag and drop the gold texture layer onto the text layer in the Layers panel. As you hover over the text layer, look for the texture to indent slightly beneath it. Release your mouse when you see that indentation. This creates a clipping relationship, which means the gold texture will only appear where it overlaps the shapes of your text. Instantly, your letters should take on that rich gold look. From here, you can refine the appearance without adding extra steps. Select the texture layer and move it around to align the brightest highlights and shadows within your letters. You can scale or rotate the texture to emphasize the metallic grain. If the effect looks too busy, try enlarging the texture so the pattern is broader across each character. That's it. Your gold text effect is complete, clean, and fully editable.